Before you try to build wealth in 2026, you need to clean up 2025. And no, you don't need a spreadsheet, you don't need a budget, and you definitely don't need to be perfect. You just need 3 simple resets that wealthy people do every single year that most regular people ignore. And reset number 3 frees up more than just money. Tell me if this sounds familiar. Most people try to start fresh every January while dragging all the leftover financial mess from the year before. Unpaid bills, subscriptions they forgot about. No idea what they actually saved or didn't save. If you go into 2026 like that, new habits won't stick. It's like trying to run a marathon with your shoelaces tied together. So before we talk about building wealth in 2026, we're doing a reset. Fast, practical, and honestly, a bit uncomfortable, but necessary. And once you do this, the habits in the next video will make 10 times more sense. This is the habit ordinary people don't like, but wealthy people do it first. And it's simple. How much came in this year? How much went out? And how much did you actually keep? You don't need perfect numbers. You don't need every receipt. Just get close enough that you can't lie to yourself. Because here's the thing. Most people think they're doing okay until they see the actual gap between earning and keeping. That gap is a real measure of progress. If this feels uncomfortable, good. It means you're being honest, and it puts you in a place of power, not confusion. And once you know your number, step 2 becomes unbelievably simple. What's the main reason most financial plans fail? Too many goals. There is too much noise and far too much pressure. So for 2026, I want you to pick one target. Not 10, not 5, 1. Make it simple. If you want to be able to save better, make it save $5,000. Or let's say you want to start investing, so your goal could read invest $50 a week. What about if you're not there on your financial journey yet? Your goal could be pay off 1 credit card, or even build a $1,000 emergency buffer. One clear, boring, focused goal beats a messy list every single time. If you try to change everything, you'll change nothing. This one goal will become the center of everything we build in the next video. But that goal won't stick unless you clear the path first with reset number 3. Right now, your brain is holding on to little financial annoyances you've ignored for months. A subscription you haven't used, a bill you've been meaning to pay, an automation you planned to set up, but didn't. These tiny tasks drain your mental energy far more than the money involved. So, here's your job. Do 3 small things today. They could be cancel 1 subscription you don't use, pay 1 bill that's been bugging you, and automate 1 thing, rent, savings, or investing. This is your mental reset. It frees up space. It reduces stress. It clears the clutter so you can focus on habits that actually move you forward. And now that your mind is clear, you're finally ready for the fun part. You've reset the numbers. You've set 1 clear goal. And you've cleared the mental inbox. Now you're ready for the next step. In the next video, we're going over the simple 2026 habits that regular people are using to build real wealth. No extreme budgeting, no complicated systems. Just small, repeatable habits anyone can do. This reset was step 0. Now let's move on to step 1 and build the habits that actually grow your money in 2026 with this video right here.